Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful login form with a glass morphism effect, and I will provide source code file in the description below. So you don't need to copy code from this tutorial. I will provide the code file in the description. I will provide code file for both NextJs developer and TypeScript developer. Okay, and also CSS file also. Okay, and so without any wastage of timing, I will show you what we are going to build today, or we are going to make today. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the file which I already opened to avoid any wastage of timing. So here is the whole project. Okay, you can see the effect, see the effect of glass morphism, see the effect of colors, and these square boxes up and down, their movement, their animations. Okay, and see the effect, see the glass morphism effect. It look good, it give a better look to your project. Okay, if you apply this in your project, that's make a project bold, make a project good. Okay, and do not forget to customize this according to your project. Okay, like if you are using some different color, some different theme in your project. Okay, like if you are using some dark theme in your project, so make it look better according to your project. Okay, you have to customize these colors, these effects according to your project. I think if you are you are beginner or experienced, you can easily do these all things. It's not a big task for anyone. Okay, so do not forget to change the color, do not forget to change this effect, do not forget to change these all things according to your project. Okay, make this text color according to your project, make this text according to your project. Okay, make this button color according to your project. That will make a better look, give a better look in your project. Okay, and and yeah guys, one more thing, if you think I'm providing some good content for your web development journey, so please support my channel and please subscribe my channel. Okay, okay guys, so without any wastage of timing, let's move to the code part. I will explain the code, and do not just blindly copy and paste the code. I will tell you how to copy, where to paste, what to copy, what to paste. Okay, and okay, I will move to the code. Yeah, here is the code file. Here is the Next.js code. If someone using Next.js in his project, he have to copy Next.js in this JSF code. And if someone using TypeScript in his project, he have to copy this TypeScript code. I have commented out this TypeScript part. You have to just copy and paste this in your project. Okay, just a simple thing, just copy and paste this in your project. Okay, and here is the styling for both the project is same, like I mentioned heading that login page class morphism styling start. Okay, here from here starting start, just copy and paste this styling in your project and give a better look to your project, and you can customize this according to your use. Okay, that's not a big task. You can customize anything in your project, like if you want to change the height, width, right, left, anything, you can change those easily. Either you are a beginner or a experienced, so you can easily change these settings. Okay, easily customize it according to your project. Okay, and here is the full CSS file. I will show you. You can see here, and it's not a too much big CSS file. Okay, yeah, thanks guys, thanks for today, thanks a lot. We'll meet in next video.